In any given market, and this is off of Chet Holmes' buyer's pyramid. If you haven't read the book, The Ultimate Sales Machine, highly recommend it. Chapter 4, he's got this concept of a stadium pitch, and he introduces this concept of the buyer's pyramid. And the buyer pyramid says that in any given market, 3% of my folks are buying now, 7% are open to it, 30% not thinking about it, 30% don't think they're interested, and 30% know they're interested. You flip this bad boy on its head, that's saying that 6 out of 10 connects don't think they're interested and know they're not interested, no matter how good you are. You're already striking out. This is like baseball, right?
Yep.
Okay. World class would be 40% if you could convince them all. It's not really there. But the reality is, even if you're at 10%, which is, again, sitting over here, you're doing really well. But when I make 50 dials and I talk to 3 people, the odds are that 2 of them just said something nasty to me. And so I give up, and I don't have the mindset. I feel like I have to go change something. I'm targeting the wrong people. I'm saying the wrong things. No, you're not. You're just not having enough conversations in a short enough period of time to actually get to the yes, right? The no is only getting you closer to the yes. And so I bring that up only because as we start to look at connect rate, the first thing that people will start to look at is like they're going to get more connects, but then they're going to quickly say, oh my God, I'm targeting the wrong people. Oh my God, it's not working because everyone's telling me no. Everyone's not telling you no. You're just getting to the no's you would have otherwise faster in a shorter period of time.